Hey, this is Anthony at RevZilla. Watch, decide, and ride. Welcome to the best motorcycle leather jackets at RevZilla.com. In this video, we're going to break down our top 5 motorcycle leather jackets. We're going to cover a mixture of jackets based on application, riding style, and certainly price. Now, when you're looking at leather, you're thinking about coverage, protection, and typically a jacket that's going to work hot to warm weather. A lot of times, you're not riding leather into the rain, but there are certainly exceptions to the rule. Now, this is based on our riding, our research, and our expert opinion, and you can shop the full collection of jackets that I'm going to show you today, as well as watch a detailed breakdown video for each at RevZilla.com. Now let's dive into our first leather. First up on my left, I have the first manufacturing Turbine, which is our best 2-season hot weather bang for the buck leather. $250, no armor, no waterproofing, and no thermal. But we don't care because this is the only leather we've ever seen that's 100% perforated, even all the way down the sleeves. This is optimized for full airflow, and you can also add first manufacturing armor to it for about 20 bucks. Now, Joe to my left, 5'8", 170, 38-inch chest. He's actually wearing a size small. Do a quick spin for me, Joe. Turn backwards. If we think about his sizing, notice the gussets on the back for range of motion compared to the size chart. It actually puts him in a medium. Where you're buying a first manufacturing Turbine, use a size chart and go down a full size. They fit about a size big compared to the size chart. Come back around to the front for me. Also keep in mind that these jackets go up to 5X. So if you are a ex-NFL linebacker, we've got you covered in cow as well. So as you can see, for around the $250 mark, late spring, all summer, early fall, 2-season hot weather, and you can add armor. That is why the first manufacturing Turbine is our best 2-season hot weather bang for the buck pick. Next up, from the summer, we move into cool and cold weather. This is your Oxford Route 73, coming in just over the $300 mark. I still think it's a lot of leather for the dollar, and if we look at it, it's got a style that's going to traverse many riding styles. Harley, vintage, even the naked bike crowd. It really jumps out that there's a black version as well as a brown version here in this Route 73. Notice the quilting and then the non-perforated scheme throughout. The reason why this jacket will do a little bit better as you dive into the cooler to colder weather is because it also is going to have a 100-gram full thermal liner. You also have CE level 1 armor that's going to be baked in. So overall, if you live somewhere that typically is not going to get raging hot weather, this would be a phenomenal option, covering your bases while also saving you some coin. Now, turn backwards for me there, Joe. Give a shot of the back. You can see that when you get into the cooler, colder weather, you might get a spot of inclement weather. We have some reflective baked in here. Come around to the front. The other thing to note is it's 1.1 millimeter aniline drum-dyed goat, and goat typically holds up a little bit better if you get it wet. Now, size-wise, Joe is going to be 5'8", 170, 38-inch chest. He's wearing a size medium. No surprises here. Notice slight pre-curve, not overly baggy, also not overly race fit for a jacket that will really cover your bases regardless of what you're riding into that fall, winter, and spring climate style ride. Up until this point, we've seen 2 jackets that have been universally styled. As we dip into our next jacket, it gets much more specific. This is our best under $500 juggernaut from the race and sport category. This is the Alpinestars GP Plus R version 2. Now, to my left, I have the classic Alpinestars red, white, and black colorway. And you're gonna see this jacket comes in at $460. It comes in a perf and non-perf scheme. It also comes in a lady. And what we absolutely love about it, besides the fact that it doesn't tip the scale over the $500 mark, 1.3 millimeter race grade cowhide, Alpinestars bio armor in the shoulder as well as the elbow, and you can upgrade the back, and it also has leather coated hard part in the shoulder. So you're really stealing from the higher end race suits and higher end race inspired leathers from Alpinestars, and you're baking it into a package that you can certainly take to the track as the top half of a 2-piece race suit, but you can also wear this every day if you're sport riding or sport commuting. And for this perf option, great for late spring, all summer, and early fall. Now, Joe, turn around backwards for me. Give a quick shot of the back. You'll see some stretch working its way in here. Great range of motion. I mentioned you can upgrade the back protector, and you have elastication at the back side of the elbows. Come back around to the front for me. The other thing to call out, 5 color options, including a stealth. And remember, no waterproofing, no thermal. This is a warm to hot weather option. option. When it comes to Joe's size, 5'8", 170, 38.5-inch chest, he's wearing a size 48. It is a sport fit, again, not overly race, but also not overly baggy. You're definitely rocking this on a sport bike, 3/4 or tuck position. Keep that in mind. So all in, you can see within this category, a juggernaut within the race world. And if you want to go Tech Air from Alpinestars, make sure you check out the Missile, which you can integrate with the Tech Air vest for just over the $500 mark. Now, keep in mind, everything I'm going to show you today, we're going to ship for free because it's over 39 bucks. And as always, subscribe to us at RevZilla on our YouTube channel and dive into the comments and debate us. I'd love to hear what you think we missed. Next up, we stay with Alpinestars, but we completely shift gears. In my opinion, this is what we call the little black dress of motorcycle jackets. It's the best premium classic motorcycle leather jacket that we have on the site. This is the Alpinestars Brera. It's been around for a few years. It comes in around the $500 mark. If we look at it, you're gonna note it's gonna work well regardless of your style. Regardless of your riding style, it'll perform on the bike and it looks phenomenal off the bike. It's 1mm calf skin. It's pre-broken in, has a wonderful smell, and a great hand to it. The other nice part is it comes with Alpinestars CE rated bio armor, shoulder as well as elbow. There's also not going to be any thermal liner here, and it does come in an airflow version, which is going to be fully perforated. Spin backwards for me, Joe. As he turns, you're going to see some gussets in the back, and you can always add an Alpinestars Nucleon back protector to beef up your protection ski. And come back around to the front for me. Now, size-wise, Joe, 5'8", 170, 38.5-inch chest, wearing a size 48. You can see it's a classic fit. I'd say it's not American cut. It's not going to be baggy, but I wouldn't call it sport or race either. It's somewhere in the middle, so it's still going to fit great from a casual perspective, but protect you and stay where it's supposed to be, allowing you room to move while you're riding. Again, this is the Alpinestars Brera, in my opinion, for the $500 mark, one of the best and the little black dress of motorcycle leather jackets. And last up in our guide series today is the Dainese Corbin D-Dry. Now, I will tell you, this is your largest investment in the collection. And what you're buying here is flexibility. You're looking at the high fives. So around the $570 mark, what you're getting is 1.0mm plus charge water resistant leather. You're also getting a highly abrasion resistant mesh, which allows full airflow. But behind that mesh are two removable liners, a waterproof breathable D-Dry liner, as well as a full sleeve thermal liner. So this, in our opinion, is one of your best, if not the best option for true 3 to 4 season riding if you want the style and lines of a leather jacket. Now, other things to keep in mind, you have a full complement of shoulder and elbow composite Dainese CE level 1 armor. Turn and face this way for me. Notice the classic Dainese Demon that is going to be reflective backed, again, giving you better ability to be seen at night. Turn backwards for me there, Joe. And if we look at the back of this, you can upgrade the back armor, more classic Dainese logoing and styling. Again, just a clean line. Leather where you want the protection, mesh where you want to flow the air in the summer, and then when you add in all those liners, come back around to the front for me, you now have a jacket that in California, it's 4 season. In the Northeast, you're probably getting deep into the fall, but the winter is still going to be a little chilly because, again, you never can fully replicate the wind block power of a full leather chassis. So having this mesh here, even with the liners in, it's not going to fully block all of the air. Just keep that in mind when you're thinking seasonality. But ultimately, style-wise, you can wear this on a cruiser, you can wear this on a Harley, you can wear this on a Ducati Monster. This will really translate into a multitude of riding styles. Quick note on fitment, Joe is going to be 5'8", 170, 38.5-inch chest. He is wearing a size 48. Euro sizing from Dainese, and if we look at it, it's a nice pre-curve with a box cut. It knows you're going to potentially be beefing up the layers or taking the layers out. So it gives you enough room to move, but it doesn't make itself overly baggy if you have all the liners out. The next step in your journey is to click the info button. Read other rider reviews and watch detailed breakdown videos on every jacket I've shown you today, as well as the multitude of leathers that we have at RevZilla.com. Keep in mind, too, this is part of our larger collection of guides, content, and video. On our site or on YouTube, you can find how-to, bike-related content, and reviews, as well as every product you can think of under the sun. And if you need help, see us at RevZilla.com or 877-792-9455, where you can connect with a gear geek. Thanks for watching the best motorcycle leather jackets at RevZilla.com. I'm Anthony. We'll see you next time.